Welcome to the CAMP video library. In this video you will get to know how to create a form and add form actions in CAMP. Forms are a versatile tool that allows businesses to collect valuable data, segment their audience, personalize their marketing efforts, optimize conversions and engage with customers. Go to Contents menu area and click on it to expand the sub-menus. Browse over the menu items and select the sub-menu item Forms. Consider the scenario of creating a registration form. Typical fields found in such a form include text fields, select fields, phone number fields, and radio buttons. Here's how you can add these elements to your form. Click the New button located in the upper right corner of the Forms list page to initiate the creation of a new form. Fill in the form name. This name will appear on the Forms list page alongside the form ID. Choose your preferred submit action. For instance, if you select Remain at Form, the form values will be submitted, and the user will stay on the form page. Alternatively, you can opt to redirect to another page by selecting Redirect URL or display a thank you message by choosing Display Message. To insert various types of fields into a form, go to the Fields tab located next to the Details tab. Click on Add a New Field drop-down button. Browse over the drop-down menu to select the required field. As this is a registration form, let's choose a text field to capture the contact's first name. A pop-up window will appear with all the tabs related to the text field. Enter the label for the field. To map the text box to a contact field, click on the Contact Field tab next to the General tab. Then, choose the appropriate contact field option from the available list. Explore the other tabs available. Under the Validation section, set the validation of Required to Yes if the field is mandatory. Under Attributes tab you can define the HTML attributes for the field. Similarly, you can go to Behavior tab and specify the desired behavior for the field. Once you've configured the behavior, click Add to include the field in the form. The field has been added to the form. Now, let's proceed to add a phone number field, allowing the marketing team to contact the lead who fills out the registration form. In the phone pop-up, complete filling all the required information. Map the contact field. And click on Add. For field types such as radio group and select, you'll need to add the values that users can select from. Here we are choosing the radio group. The radio group pop-up appears. After completing the General, Contact Field and Validations tab, select the Properties tab. Here, select the Add a Value button. Enter the necessary values and then click Add to include the field. The added fields are all displayed in the form. Save and close the form by clicking on the Save and Close button. After creating the form, a message confirming its creation will be displayed along with the form details. Click on OK to exit the form and return to the Forms list. In the Forms list, you'll find options to clone, archive, preview, and delete the forms. Additionally, you can view the form results. Now, let's add some actions to this form. In this scenario, when a lead fills out this form, we aim to move the lead to a lead segment for executing campaigns with follow-up emails. To proceed, select Edit next to the form name. Once you're on the Edit Form page, navigate to the Actions tab by selecting Actions. Click on the drop-down menu labeled Add a New Submit Action and browse through the available action items. Once there, select Modify Contact Segment. Enter the segment to add the contact to and the segment to remove the contact from. Save the action by clicking on the Add button. Another frequently used action is the Send Form Results option. When this action is included in the form results are automatically emailed to the designated recipients every time a contact submits the form. In the Send Form Results pop-up, enter the subject of the email and set the send immediately to Yes. Enter the desired email address in to, CC and BCC. Select Add to add this action to the form. Once you have completed adding all the required actions, save and close the form. The form actions will be executed every time a contact fills the form details and submits. This guide covered the process of creating a form with form actions in CAMP. By leveraging forms effectively, marketers can optimize their strategies to attract, engage, and retain customers in the digital landscape.